ever asked yourself, what's wrong with my bathroom? Can you relate to what you're seeing in this shower? This is exactly the type of situations that we detail in our book. So we always like to ask our customers, how many times do you use this humongous jacuzzi bathtub? And almost every time they say, never, maybe once. So in this bathroom, we're going to be taking out this huge piece of equipment and building something really cool. So let me show you just one example of why this shower failed. Trustee level? The slope is actually in the wrong direction. Instead of sloping back towards the shower where the water can safely drain away towards the drain, this shower curb is sloped outward. So that results in water damage, rotten subfloor, cracking tiles. It's completely destroyed. In this shower, and actually most showers in America, the rubber liner has been penetrated with nails to the cement board. You can take out these nails here, because I'm sure we're going to get a nasty surprise. Oh boy, love nasty surprises. So now that we have pulled up the rubber liner here, I am going to show you what's wrong with your bathroom. Here you can see a rotten curb where the special rubber membrane corners are missing, and of course the penetration from the nails caused the rot here. And if you look over here, this is what is so interesting that we see a lot of. Look at how much disgusting mold there is beneath the rubber membrane of the shower. And what I want to tell you is that on the other side of this wall is a bathroom, and the toilet has been leaking through this wall for many years, and it's actually on a 1 foot level higher floor than you see here. So there was constantly water coming in through the shower, and then it also went into the wall of the adjoining toilet room to the shower here.
Okay, now it's time to remove the rubber membrane and take care of the mold before we start build new shower, which will be on better shape. Hello, my name is Otto Satinsky. I am originally from Czech Republic and I am mechanical engineer.
And my name is Heather Satinsky, and I am originally from Ohio, and I am a home interior designer. And together we create custom bathrooms. Our new home improvement book is titled What's Wrong with My Bathroom? It provides homeowners with 300 pages and 885 pictures of step-by-step guides and information on how to build leak-free, mold-free, and stable shower structures. Now back to the shower disaster. With the rubber liner removed, we find that the structure beneath is still intact. So we can now bleach and sanitize the area in preparation for building a new subfloor. We use fiber rock brand underlayment material to build the shower walls and Hardybacker cement board on the floor. Then we close all of the seams with OSI Quad Max sealant. In the shower, we use Mape Aqua Defense premium waterproofing and crack isolation membrane and reinforce it with the Mape reinforcing fabric. If your shower project has a curb, we will also show you how to build and waterproof it correctly. Also, we show homeowners how to install and correctly waterproof linear and central drains, while also giving tips on creating a smooth connection between the drain and the floor tiles. The shower floor is the first place to begin the tiling. First, cut and lay all of the tiles without adhesive so they will precisely fit. Then remove them. Apply the adhesive and begin installing them on the floor. The advantage of this method is that the installation is quick, smooth, without any room for mistakes. Lay the floor tiles in a straight line because walls are usually not straight enough to serve as a ruler. Alright, so after we finish with the shower floor, we will be moving to the rest of the bathroom floor. And as you can see, we already have it prepared with our wooden plank, which we like to refer to as the wooden ruler for the rest of the bathroom. And you can tell we have 1, 2, 3 starting points already prepared. The bathroom will be perfectly straight. And the reason we prefer to use a wooden ruler is because it is just so much more accurate than a chalk line and a laser. It is also very important that the underlayment materials are smooth when installing because small mosaic tiles will show imperfections on the tile surface. Once the floor tiles have cured, it's time to begin installing the wall tiles. Start the first row using a full tile and then work up the wall. The tiles should be straight and level because they will be used as a ruler for the rest of the wall tiles. Depending on the material of the tile, use a wet saw or a snap cutter to cut the tiles. And here is the finished bathroom. It has a retro style feel and it is just simply gorgeous. The shower was built using our Satinsky methods. It will never leak, crack, or grow mold. The clawfoot bathtub is cast iron with a freestanding faucet behind it. Are you interested in creating a walk-in shower in your home? Our methods use ordinary materials found at local hardware and tile shops. Our book will help homeowners step by step with their bathroom projects. So head over to our website, www.whatswrongwithmybathroom.com, for more information on how to get a copy of the book, What's Wrong with My Bathroom?